Ascertain the correct direction of Qiblah with the help of the sun on 27th and 28th May. Twice a year, that is on 27th and 28th May and 15th and 16th July, the sun is positioned exactly above the Holy Kaaba. At that time, with the help of the shadow cast by any object, the correct direction of Qiblah may be ascertained easily for masajid and homes, etc. Method. On 27th or 28th May at 2:18 pm according to Pakistan Standard Time, vertically erect any piece of wood or iron rod etc. so carefully that it's not inclined to any side. You may even tie something heavy at the end of a thread and hang that as well. Now, make a mark on the shadow created at the aforementioned time. Now, by turning in the direction of that piece of wood, rod or thread while standing at the mark of the shadow, you will be in the exact direction of Qiblah. There is no harm if this process is done 2 or 4 minutes early or late too. Ruling. If one offered salah to the right or left of the exact direction of Qiblah within 45 degrees, it is valid. Some famous countries and the schedule of the times of ascertaining the correct direction of Qiblah in them. Names of countries, standard time. Ghana, Gambia, Mauritania, Mali, Togo, Iceland, etc. 9:18 am. United Kingdom, Ireland, Nigeria, Benin, Nigeria, Congo, etc. 10:18 am. Albania, Austria, Denmark, France, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, Botswana, Lesotho, Malawi, Mozambique, South Africa, Sudan, etc. 11:18 am. Bahrain, Iraq, Kenya, Kuwait, Qatar, Tanzania, Yemen, Bulgaria, Russia, Moscow, Greece, Turkey, Jordan, Lebanon, Palestine, Syria, Egypt, etc. 12:18 pm. Iran, 12:48 pm. United Arab Emirates, Oman, Mauritius, etc. 1:18 pm. Afghanistan, 1:48 pm. Pakistan, Tajikistan, etc. 2:18 pm. India, Sri Lanka, 2:48 pm. Nepal, 3:03 pm. Bangladesh, 3:18 pm. Indonesia, Java, Thailand, 4:18 pm. China, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Taiwan, Indonesia, Kalimantan, etc. 5:18 pm. Japan, Korea, 6:18 pm.